Hi, this is Erin with DoMyOwn.com. Are you dealing with ants, roaches, and other crawling insects? The Bait Plate Station is a smart, low-profile solution designed to make pest control cleaner, easier, and more effective. Before handling any pest control products, please make sure to wear gloves. When you get your bait plate stations, it'll come in a multi-pack. You'll have the tops and the bottoms with 2 compartments for pests that need a protein and carbohydrate-based source. Glue dots and service cards are also included. Made from durable, transparent plastic, these stations securely hold gel, granular, or liquid bait, all in one compact unit. That means no more sticky mess on your counters or bait scattered across your home, but accessible to the insect you're targeting. One of the biggest advantages is the dual compartment tray. You can load 2 different types of bait at the same time, gel or liquid on one side and granular on the other. That gives finicky pests like certain ants and roaches the option to choose the bait that they're most attractive to, improving your chances of success. And because the station is transparent, it's easy to check bait levels and monitor insect activity without opening it. You'll know at a glance when it's time to refill, so there's no guesswork and no wasted product. The service record stickers allow you to know when your last application was applied. The removable tab on the top also adds versatility. Keep it closed for small insects like ants and roaches, or snap it off completely for larger pests like American roaches. Installation is simple. You can place it on a flat surface or use the pre-cut hole or the included sticky dot to mount it to a wall or a vertical surface. Perfect for getting bait right where the pests are hiding. For added security with liquid baits on the wall, we do suggest that you use a small tack that can help keep it firmly in place. Plus, these stations are reusable. All you have to do is just clean them out, reload with fresh bait, and because they help keep the bait fresh for longer, you won't need to refill them as often, saving you both time and money. Remember, the bait plate station is not a trap. It's a bait delivery system. This is designed to let insects in so they can take the bait back to the colony, eliminating the source of the infestation. Bait is not included. Please make sure to check out our ant and roach bait guides at DoMyOwn.com for one that best fits your needs. Or if you're unsure, reach out to our expert staff for recommendation. Thanks for watching. We're always happy to help you here at DoMyOwn.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you would like to see more of.